Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, you don't know, I'm here guys. I'm cooking some steamed fish. I tell us there are some real lake fish, fresh from yard. You see me? Straight out of Jamaica, links tight. You get them thing up in America, yeah, you see me? Right up in Texas, in Dallas, Texas. You know what I mean? The family was here couple days ago guys. You don't know, miss them so much, and they hooked me up with some real stuff, some real food from yard, you know, real Jamaican food me I say. So I'm here cooking some pumpkin, yam and sweet potato, you see me? Yeah man, so there's no more room for the cornmeal dumpling, so we are going to X out the dumpling for today, you see me? Yeah man, so you don't know, the fish them already scale, but we are go back through them and make sure so we get rid of the excess scale, you know what I mean? Because the worst thing is eating fish and scale, yeah, and eating scale. No, it's a big turn off, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so make sure you clean up the fish properly guys. Yes guys, big up on yourself. You don't know, as me say, my peeps, I have to clean up the fish them properly, isn't it? Yeah man, so you don't know, doesn't matter who clean the fish. When me I cook fish, me have to clean them all over again, you see me I say? Yeah man, no disrespect, but big up yourself, my G. From out of yard, we not call no name, because you don't know, we are no informer, you see me? But as I say guys, the links is tight, so you don't know. As Mr. Chin say, you know man, if him there jail and say one Jamaican in there, him no worry again. No more worrying for him, because him don't know say everything up, you see me? So that is it. Big up on yourself guys. Remember, you know man, a me name flexing, man, the thing no normal, you see me? Yeah man, just sketchy pray and watch how I go on. Don't know, clean up the fish. Some steamed fish, you see me? Steamed fish in a coconut milk. That is it. Yeah man, see them there now guys. Yeah man. One slice of them fish are way over a pound, man. You see me? Real fish from yard. Real Jamaican them know when I talk about lake fish from out of the river. Yeah, is it. Tell us a sea fish bad still, you know, but lake fish are the boss. Yeah man, I don't know. Easy Ricky Stero from out of Brooklyn. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah man, respect. Go and share your life, my G. Yeah man, you don't know. No Ricky, me can't tell you that. Can't tell you that, Ricky. Remember I say flex and I informer, you know man. Can't mash up the links. Can't tell you how me get them fish here up in America, yeah. But the links up, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. All you have to do if you want some, my G, just link me up and me get them on your doorstep. You see it, pray? Yeah man, you don't know, but me not gonna tell you how me get them. You see it? But as me say, yeah man, we make the thing happen, man. Yes guys, you don't know, we have to clean up the fish them properly, you know man. Yeah, I mean, you know, and no scale in my mouth when me I eat them fish, you know. You see me? Like, Easy Stacy, big up yourself from out of Miami. You don't know me, G. Big up yourself. That is it. Sharon, I see a word. Big up, enough respect. Big up yourself. really appreciate the support, you know. Yeah, man. What? Well, I said, my G. Shut. No, there, man. Big up yourself, overall. Yeah, man. I'm out of Chicago, my G, from way back school days. Cool, no, my G. There, man. There in that place. Soon link up, man. Yeah. Up, me say. Yeah, my please just go and share the live. Go and share the live. Okay, guys, so make sure I wash my fish with vinegar and lime, you know what I mean? And that is it.